Welcome. Today I am with AirPods Max and iPhone, and I'll show you how you can activate noise cancelling in this smartphone. We got two methods. The first one, we can make it by using the settings, open Bluetooth, enter for our AirPods Max, tap on this information icon. Here we are in the AirPods Max settings, and to activate the noise cancelling we have to tap right here. Of course you have to remember to wear these headphones to your head, so that's what I'm going to do right now. And as you can see, right now it just switched automatically because I just previously clicked. So right now, one more time, when you put them on into your head, you will be able to choose the noise cancellation right here. There's also another method. Oh, sorry, I just hit the microphone. So we got also another method. It's definitely faster. So on the right headphone, you will find this button. When you put your headphones on the head, and when you click once this button, you are going to also switch between the modes. So I will show you one more time. Take a look. Right now I'm pressing this button and I can switch. As you can see, right now I'm in the transparency mode, and we can go for the noise cancellation. So as you can see, that's how we can make it manually or by using this button on our right headphone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.